Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. January 5th. Happy first week of 2024. Zeph here. Just want to go over the two trades I took for today. One break-even trade, one winner. Ending the week positive, so I'm happy about that. I will post a trading result breakdown once I hit probably 20 to 40, 50 trades, somewhere around there. Again, trading 4 contracts, 1 point, doing full PATS, just textbook. One runner, 1 point, doing it that way, feeling it out. For this week, so far so good. I feel like my trading's been absolutely on point. Sitting through the hard trades, not giving into the behavior. I had one trade and it was today that I will go over with my bad behavior. But this is what the daily chart looks like. I just want to jump into this, try to not make this a super long video. Downtrend, hoagie, break, 2B pattern setup. If you're not familiar with it, pause the video, go back, look at my other videos, and you can see it on the daily chart here. So if you're trading the daily on the ES, congratulations. Really easy trade to see. Failed break, hoagie, 2B pattern, very simple. Great setup, great reward to great risk to reward. Okay, the daily chart is done. So let's go over the 2000 tick chart. This is what it looks like. So far, upward trend. Nice upward trend into a sell-off on the day so far. I'm pretty sure some news came out right around like 11:15 about oil or something. Then we have FOMC speaking as well. It looks like it's a medium impact event, but that's going to be at 13:30. So I'm done for today after the two trades. This is going to be pre-market here. We have a nice trend line down, first entry short, second entry short. Great signal bar, could have been done on the day there before the market even opens. Nice upward trend. We have a first entry long, second entry long. I like it also as like a triple test. Nice support back to the previous day's low. So that looks really good. Then you also have a first entry short, second entry short failure. Goes higher, like that setup as well. Don't see anything in here. Chops around. You have a first entry long, pull back, second entry long off the key entry point. Now it looks a little congested with these stems here, so you got to be a little careful on that. But you also get the context of a higher low. This is where I take my first trade on the day. I have a first entry short, and here's something as well. I have a high right here at 47.60 to the very tick, so I am aware of that. But I also see a first entry short, second entry short failure, great signal bar. I go long 1 tick, and I don't get filled even though it does hit 1 point because it has to go through it to fill all the orders for your QN line. So I don't get filled, I get shooken out, the fear comes over and I get out and I just have huge bad behavior on this one. All I had to do was not do literally anything. It's amazing what happens when you just trade a system and you don't touch the mouse. It's absolutely amazing. Anyway, so I get out to shoot it to break even after this thing comes down to this previous low. With looking back, I'm just so disappointed in myself. And I was at the time as well with this nice upward trend, bullish sentiment going up, like it was good. I'm a little shooken up after that. I take my break because that's important or else I will revenge trade. I have a hoagie here for 3 inside bar hoagie. Breaks up to the upside. You have a first entry short, second entry short. I am away at this time from my computer taking my break, but that was a good trade. I wish this bar closed a little lower, but other than that, you basically have just like a triple test as well across the board here. So leads to this huge, really fast sell-off here with these 3 bars just printing extremely fast. Comes down to the range of what we were trading here at this previous low at 47.47, and it chops around. See it very choppy here. You do have a first entry long, second entry long failure, but this is just marked just so I can go over it and see if that was a correct one when Mac posts his video. Whoops. Then it sells off again after chopping around, kind of in a downward spiral, and then this is where I take my second trade. Second trade comes from first entry short, second entry short. It fails. I realize that this could be a double trap. I also have resistance at EMA. So when I see this bar touch EMA, close. Now it is a green bar, but it is closing on this 1/3. So this is why I took this setup. And I also took it because of the failure of the second entry short. Enter 1 tick below. I get filled on my 1 point. I realize that I have a runner. The probability of the runner making a new low in my mind at the time was probably not likely, which was incorrect. So I put my runner to 2 points. I get my 2 points. We get a higher low. I was thinking of taking this trade, but the stem, there's a little stem here, and I just wish it closed a little lower on its actual candle. Then I probably would have taken it again. Nonetheless, this is why I just went for the 2 points, because the market's so efficient. Would have come right back, got my break-even runner, even if I put a 2 break-even and then sell off. You would have to put your stop all the way back up here. So yeah, so then it sells off, and then now this is where we're at for right now. But those were my 2 trades for today. I just got break even on the first one, so I just paid the commission on that, and then I got 3 contracts with 1 point, and then my runner for 2 points. So ending the week very positive, and I hope you guys have been trading well this week. Let me know in the comments below. If you've made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. I have a few of the previous videos if you're interested in the Hoagie pattern. I have it for TradingView. Feel free to check out that video. And I also have the 2B pattern for NinjaTrader. And I also have, which I haven't talked about, is a GAN counter marking as well. If you're interested in that, just sefstrading@gmail.com. Shoot me an email. I've shot in probably, I think, 50 people now, the indicators. So I hope you guys are using them. I hope you guys like them. Play around with them. You got to tweak them to your needs and how you specifically trade. And remember, context is everything. I will see you guys next week. And this is Zeph. Have a good one.